Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and saving a quick backup. This keeps you safe if layout changes go wrong. Once saved, enable Show /hide paragraph on the home ribbon so you can see manual page break markers. Then switch to Draft or Print Layout View to confirm where breaks sit. This immediate visibility lets you act precisely, rather than guessing. Make sure you can see the dotted or labeled lines before moving on to removal. Now remove the manual breaks. Click just before a break marker and press Delete, or select it and press Backspace. If there are many, use Find with M to jump between manual breaks and remove them quickly. Next, inspect the Paragraph Dialog's Line and Page Breaks tab. Uncheck Page Break Before for any style causing forced breaks. Once done, reflow text to confirm pagination looks natural, and save. This combination fixes both explicit and style-driven breaks. Finish by updating any styles that still force page breaks. Modify heading and paragraph styles, and clear Page Break Before so the change applies document-wide. Then use Print Preview to confirm final pagination and adjust margins if needed. If the layout still breaks oddly, check Widows/Orphan and Keep with Next settings in paragraph options. These can force movement. As a tip, undo or revert to your saved backup if changes produce unexpected layout shifts. Then reapply changes selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.